This is a video on how to conjugate Korean aVerbs into the past tense. There are three types of verbs in Korean: aVerbs, which have a verb root that ends in ha; aVerbs, which have a verb root that ends in a syllable that contains either o or a; and aVerbs, whose verb roots end in a syllable that contains any vowel except for o or a. You will find videos for the other two types of verbs in the description. Let's learn our past tense conjugation of aVerbs. The best way to memorize verbs is in their infinitive form. That's the form that ends in da and roughly translates to verb. For example, onda, to hug; gada, to go; boda, to see. As I was saying, memorize the infinitive forms, and then you can conjugate them into whatever tense you want. Today, we will conjugate into the past tense. To do that, first cut off the da at the end of the word. You now have what is called the root verb. And then, to the root verb, you add a past tense ending. And here they are. 왔어, 왔어요, 왔습니다. These are in order of most casual to most formal. So we add these past tense endings to each of our verb roots. If the verb root ends in a consonant, we're done. We've made the past tense. If the verb root ends in a vowel, we need to combine the vowels. There are two possible vowels that an aVerb could end in. They are a and o. If it is an a, your two a's combine into one a. If it is an o, the o and the a combine into wa. Look at that. So that's how you make the past tense of an aVerb. You need to memorize these endings and remember how to combine the vowels. Now let's make sentences. I hugged, I went, I saw. The word for I is na in the casual form and jo in the polite/formal form. So we add that in front of our verbs, and then we top it off with subject markers, just like we did in the present tense. We can use nun/un if we want to emphasize the verb, or e/ga if we want to emphasize the subject. The nun and the ga are for subjects that end in vowels, and the un and the e are for subjects that end in consonants. If you want a more detailed explanation of subject markers, that is linked in the description. You can use my list of aVerbs to practice conjugating into the past tense and to learn vocabulary. You'll be glad you did. You can find the past tense forms in the comment section to check if you did it correctly. Enjoy my useful links in the description, and 잘 됐어요, my fellow students. Thank you for studying with me.